everybody, and welcome to another edition of the Wax Busters, where today we'll be busting the new Bowman Heritage 2007. 24 packs, 3 hits, 2 relics, 1 auto, and 1 box stopper. Or it looks like 2.
Well, looks like we get A-Rod cards. It's already worth the money.
Is this road to 800 now?
And that's my box stopper.
It's a box stopper, you're not even going to open it?
Oh, I don't really think I need to.
Alfonso Soriano.
And a sticker. Here we go.
Stupid sticker. Here we go.
Go for my 3 hits. 3 hits. We got Alex Gordon, Bowman Chrome Rookie. Looks like refractor.
It's Bowman Heritage, actually.
Yeah. Well, that's
not chrome.
Well, that's chrome. It's chrome type card. So you get one every box, every pack.
Okay.
Elijah Dukes.
Elijah Dukes. Fake autograph. Or is
I
it
think they call them facsimiles. Facsimile.
What else we got here?
Is that
Marlins.
Jeremy Hermia?
Matt Lindstrom.
Oh,
Yep.
That's the only guy I can think of. I'm just gonna kinda...
Why aren't their names on the front? It's kind of annoying.
Cause
Andy LaRoche.
those are nice looking.
Takes a while to focus.
Well, it's because they're so shiny.
We got here Mr. Sean Henn.
Oh, they don't have any numbered stuff. Josh Papelbon.
Josh Papelbon.
Josh.
Cincinnati. Homer Bailey.
Do you get 1-on-1s in this stuff?
Oh.
I think they have like different backgrounds. Apparently those are all the rookies.
Jesus Flores, or yep, that's his name.
We should be getting a hit soon here, I hope.
Chase Wright. There we go, the glare.
Got Mantle.
Wichita Falls, Texas, born 1983.
Got Mantle. Got Lowell. PC
Got a
Mojo.
Mike Lowell.
That's all that matters. The box is worth it.
Michael Bourne.
Jeez. Saving the hits for last. Jeez.
Jeez. I don't know where you gotta be running out now. Dallas Breed.
Trying to fly through. There's a lot of packs here. There we go.
Is that the autograph? No?
David Jonathan. J.D. Drew. Kinda took me a minute.
Oh. Yeah, you never see his full name. So. Congratulations, you have just
I got my other one
game
right there.
worn. Oh, there it is. I didn't see it right there. J.D. Drew.
Yeah, Cole Hamels.
That stuff's hard to see.
Yeah, it's a little tiny swatch.
Hamels. I wouldn't have noticed if I didn't read the back.
So that means I got an auto left. Someone. Miguel Montero.
Ah, jeez, that's your favorite card too.
Was my favorite player.
Miguel Montero.
My favorite player on the Diamondbacks.
Huh.
Oh.
3 relics?
3 relics.
Maybe.
Well, maybe you just get 3 hits.
You're not guaranteed an auto.
One can be an auto.
Jeff Francis.
Well, if I'd known that, I wouldn't have bought it.
I got all their middle names on these cards too.
This
Must be Keigawa. Yeah. Doesn't look too happy. Getting sent down to AAA or something.
Joe Smith. What's your favorite?
That's a pretty cool background. Looks like Spider-Man's been around.
Oh. Maybe. Hector. Yeah, that's one.
Hector. That's what the regular cards look like. I haven't really seen them. Too busy.
Troy Tulowitzki.
Ooh, too low. Just got beat out for Rookie of the Year, so.
Oh, I got. Holy smokes.
To Ryan Braun.
It's been a long time since we've done a box with this many packs.
Getting winded? You
Yeah.
start going to the gym again.
My fingers are getting
Philip
tired.
Hughes.
Weird packs soon.
What we got here?
It's not as exciting.
Molina.
It's kind of upsetting that I didn't get an autograph.
Well, you don't know. Maybe
Maybe I can get a hot box. Get lucky. Hot box.
John Danks.
We've been opening too much gridiron gear. Ooh. Hideki Okajima.
Hideki.
It's kind of a shame those aren't numbered.
I think he came in like 5th in Rookie of the Year voting. So
But we're down to the last two. Oh, I did get an autograph.
An autograph?
Right.
Elliot Johnson.
Who the hell is that?
It's Signs of Greatness. That's funny, I haven't heard of him.
Neither have I.
Of course, this is Bowman though, so he's probably in single A right now.
Yeah, and last pack. Travis Buck.
Travis Buck.
Pretty sweet. 4 hits.
Travis Buck, yeah. 3 relics. We got the Jeff William Francis. We've got Cole Richard Hamels. It's hard to see, sorry about that. And we got the David Jonathan Drew, the $14 million Grand Slam man. And we got Elliot Johnson. Alright, thanks for watching.
You just have yourself a good day. Take care now. Bye-bye then.